Want to decrease the size of virtual D-pad in One Piece Boundary Rush but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some easy steps on how to decrease the size of virtual D-pad in One Piece Boundary Rush. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap on the menu icon in the top right corner of your screen. Then select Options. Now choose Battle from the top of your screen. Then scroll down to Virtual D-pad. There are two options, Small and Medium. Both of them are smaller than the big Virtual D-pad, so you can choose any one of them. And that's how you can decrease the size of Virtual D-pad in One Piece Boundary Rush. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.